In the previous video, we learned what an embedded system is. Now let us understand the different types of embedded systems. These types are based on how systems work and where they are used. Standalone embedded systems work independently. They take inputs, process them, and give outputs without external control. Examples include washing machines, microwave ovens, and calculators. Real-time embedded systems must respond within a fixed time limit. Correct timing is as important as correct output. Examples include airbags, medical monitors, and industrial controllers. Some real-time systems are soft real-time systems. Others are hard real-time systems where delays are unacceptable. Airbag are hard real-time, while video streaming is soft real-time. Networked embedded systems communicate using networks. They share data with other systems or servers. Examples include smart meters, routers, and connected vehicles. Mobile embedded systems are portable and battery-powered. They focus on low power consumption and efficiency. Examples include smartphones, wearables, and fitness trackers. Small-scale embedded systems are simple and low-cost. They are designed using basic microcontrollers. Examples include digital watches, electronic toys, and simple IoT devices. Medium-scale embedded systems are more complex than small-scale systems. They use more powerful microcontrollers to handle multiple tasks. Examples include home routers, vending machines, and automotive systems. Sophisticated embedded systems have advanced processing capabilities. They may use multiple processors and complex software. Examples include smartphones, medical devices, and advanced automotive systems. Understanding types of embedded systems helps in system design. Each type has different performance and timing requirements. This knowledge is essential for embedded engineers. These were the main types of embedded systems. In the next video, we will explore microcontrollers and microprocessors. Follow embedded systems tutorials to continue learning. If this video helped you, please like and share it. Follow embedded systems tutorials for more embedded concepts. Ask your questions in the comments. We'll learn together.